In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox to sign proposals. If you want a simple and professional way to get a proposal signed online, Dropbox makes the process very straightforward through Dropbox Sign, which was previously known as HelloSign. This is one of the best methods because it lets you upload your proposal, add signature fields, send it out, and then download the completed signed copy all in one place. To get started, go to Dropbox Sign and log in with your Dropbox account. Once you're inside, look for the option that says Start Signing or Request Signatures. These are the tools that begin the signing workflow. If you're sending a proposal to someone else to sign, Request Signatures is usually the option you'll use. Next, upload your proposal. Click Upload File, then select the proposal document from your computer. This can be a PDF or a Word document, so you have some flexibility depending on how your file is saved. After you choose the file, give it a moment to load completely before moving on. Waiting for the document to fully appear on screen helps ensure you can place the fields accurately in the next step. Once the proposal is uploaded, add the signer's details. Enter the email address of the person who needs to sign the proposal, then add their name. Make sure this information is correct, because this is how the signing request will be delivered and identified. When everything looks right, click Next. Now you'll prepare the document for signing by placing the necessary fields. Drag the signature box onto the area where the person should sign. If your proposal also needs additional information, you can add other fields such as the date, printed name, initials, or text fields. This is useful if you want the signer to complete specific parts of the proposal in addition to signing it. Be careful to assign each field to the correct signer so the document works properly when it's opened. After the fields are in place, click Send. The signer will receive an email from Dropbox or Dropbox Sign with a link to review the proposal and sign it digitally. This makes the process fast and convenient since they can complete it online without printing anything. When the document has been signed, go back to the Dropbox Sign dashboard. Open the completed documents section, find your finished proposal, and click Download PDF. From there, save the signed file either to your Dropbox folder or directly to your computer so you can keep it organized and easy to access later. And that's how to use Dropbox to sign proposals quickly and professionally.